Good morning, welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday, guys. So today we're going to South Melbourne, guys. We're going to get my hair done. So guys, I had like half head foils I think a few months ago, and then it's starting to grow back now, guys. If you can see the black is up to here now, and also because it's only half head, guys, it's only the top, so the bottom, guys, is still dark. So I wanted to actually get it like just one color, guys, just one full color, no highlights, no foils or anything like that. So that's what I'm going to do today, guys, and I've got the gang ready there, guys. That's the Christmas tree that we bought last night. We're gonna set it up maybe tonight when we get home or tomorrow. But yeah, guys, come with us. I'll see you soon. So that's where I'm going, guys. 1 o'clock is my appointment, so in 20 minutes. So hi guys, I'm done. No, I'm joking. It's so funny, guys, because I have to actually move the car, guys. So I had to get out from the salon looking like this. So this is what my hair looks like at the moment, guys. Whew. I looked so freaking funny, guys, walking around South Melbourne like this. Anyways, it's better than getting a fine, right? So I just moved the car another 2 hours, and then I'm gonna go back and get it finished, and then that's it, guys. So see you soon. again guys, so we're finally home. As you can see, my hair color has changed now a lot because I requested for a darker color guys compared to the one that I had recently. And also, as you can see, I've got fringe going on because I also want to try something new, right? Yeah, so this is what it looks like now guys. So this is my hair color now. It is, I can't actually tell you the exact color guys, the exact name of the color that we use for my hair, because we ended up doing like mixing two colors to get this result. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's actually like just brown, warm brown color guys. Seriously, 5 different colors in my hair guys, because before I had the half head foils done, I had my hair color like all brown, and it grew, so like half here was like dark brown and then light brown in the bottom, and then on top of that I did the half head foil, so it just looks horrendous guys, having like 5 different colors on my hair. So they actually done a great big job guys for them, because they have to actually make my hair color the same, the whole thing, before they can apply the color that I really want for my hair. So it took approximately 3 hours to get it all done, but I'm very happy with the result guys. As you can see, maybe the lighting won't actually show you the real color of my hair. Yeah, that's the one. It might lighten up, in weeks to come, it might lighten up, but I'm very happy with the color. I'm very satisfied with it guys. And also I've got like a haircut, as you can see. I just asked to put some layers in my hair. I wanted to keep the length, so it's still a bit long, but as you can see, there's layers going on now, which is really cool. And it's something, something different for me, because I've had like, I don't know, straight hair before. So yeah, and also with that trim guys, my hair looks a bit healthy now. See the ends, they're not very dry now because they cut all the split ends, and also it's more like bouncy, healthy looking hair now guys. I'll show you the back. So yeah guys, that's about it. I'm gonna tell you how much it cost me. So for the color guys, because obviously they had to do the color correction, and so for the whole coloring thing they charged me $170. And then for the haircut, like the layers and the fringe and that, they charged me another $45. So all in all, I paid 215 Australian dollars for this hair guys, which I think it's not too bad, because I'm telling you now, I paid so much money for my hair before. Seriously, I paid, I think the most here in Australia, right? Like I've paid maybe 470 Australian dollars for my hair before guys. So for 215 and getting this result, yeah, I'm very happy and I'm very satisfied guys. And yeah, what do you think guys? Let me know what you think. Do you think it suits me, or should I go lighter? But yeah, I think it's just the lighting. It's not gonna show you the correct color of my hair guys, but under the sunlight it looks lighter than this. So but yeah, that's about it guys. Overall, I had a very good experience with A&J Hair Trendz in South Melbourne. If you're in Melbourne guys, you should check them out. They're very their pricing is very reasonable, and also they're very knowledgeable. Like they know what they're doing. They study your hair before they do anything to it, so to make sure that it won't get damaged. So yeah, I recommend them, guys. Hopefully you check them out. And that's about it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Also guys, actually I forgot, please subscribe to this channel, guys, because I could see that lots of people actually watch the video but they haven't subscribed us yet. So if you could hit that subscribe button, guys, I would really appreciate it. And yeah, so I'll see you all in the next one. Hopefully you subscribe by then. And yeah, don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.